To begin, open WhatsApp on your phone. Then go to the group chat where you want to add a tag. Now tap on the group name displayed at the top. Swipe up to scroll down and find the members section. Then you will see a new update, add member tag under your name. If you don't see it, ensure your WhatsApp app is updated. Now tap on it. Type the member tag you want to assign to yourself. You will see a preview of how it appears. Once satisfied, tap Save at the bottom. The member tag has been saved. From now on, other members in the group will see the member tag displayed under your name. This feature lets you easily identify members and their roles within the group. To make any changes, simply long press on your member tag and then tap Edit Member Tag. You can delete your member tag from the top right corner, or edit it anytime. Not all accounts receive this feature immediately, as WhatsApp rolls it out gradually. So that's how you can use the new member tag feature in WhatsApp group.